Hello, this is my morning routine, and yes, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So first, I like to get up and brush my teeth and take a shower. Next, I brush my hair. Duh. Then I change my clothes to exercising clothes. And I like to do yoga in the morning. It's really easy. These stretches are really easy to do, so if you want, you can follow along with me. After that, I like to go back to the bathroom and do a quick skincare. And no, this is totally not a video with pictures and stuff. This is real. So as you can see, I'm just doing my skincare and stuff. So really nice skincare. I like to put this lotion. It's called a La 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 lotion. So beautiful. After that, I love to make my favorite smoothie. So this smoothie is called So yeah, you should try it. After that, I love to change my clothes. Right now, purple is like my favorite color in the whole entire world. Yes, I changed my shirt last second. This is my outfit. Rate it in the comments. And yeah, I like to go to my favorite coffee shop and just read my favorite book. So that is my morning routine. Tell me what you think in the comments. Girly, you're late.